Lean manufacturing represents a powerful philosophy and a comprehensive set of practices. It is fundamentally about optimizing processes and delivering superior value. This approach seeks to transform how organizations operate and innovate. The core goal of Lean is to maximize customer value in every aspect of production and service delivery. Simultaneously, it aims to minimize waste, eliminating anything that does not contribute directly to this value. This dual focus drives efficiency and effectiveness. The origins of lean manufacturing are deeply rooted in the Toyota production system. Developed by Toyota in the mid-20th century, this system revolutionized automotive manufacturing. Its principles have since been adapted and applied across countless industries worldwide. The primary aim of adopting lean methodologies is to create a streamlined, agile, and highly responsive organization. Such an organization can quickly adapt to changing market demands and customer needs. It fosters an environment of continuous improvement and operational excellence. The desired outcome of implementing Lean is to deliver high-quality products and services quickly and efficiently. This leads to enhanced customer satisfaction and a stronger competitive position. Lean helps businesses achieve sustainable growth and profitability. The first foundational principle of Lean is value. Value is always defined from the customer's perspective, not from the company's internal view. Understanding what the customer truly values is the starting point for all Lean initiatives. Every action, process, and resource utilized within an organization should contribute directly to delivering this defined value. If an activity does not add value from the customer's viewpoint, it is considered waste. This principle guides all subsequent Lean efforts. The second principle is value stream mapping. This practice involves identifying and visualizing all steps involved in delivering value to the customer. It traces the entire process from raw materials to the final product or service. Value stream mapping provides a comprehensive end-to-end view of the workflow. It helps to understand the flow of information and materials. This visual representation is crucial for identifying inefficiencies and bottlenecks. By mapping the value stream, organizations can pinpoint specific areas of waste. It highlights non-value-adding activities that consume resources without benefiting the customer. This clarity is essential for targeted improvement efforts. The third foundational principle focuses on waste, often referred to by its Japanese term, muda. Waste is considered the ultimate enemy of Lean, as it consumes resources without adding value. Eliminating waste is central to Lean thinking. Waste encompasses anything that does not add value to the customer or the final product. It represents inefficiencies, unnecessary costs, and delays within any process. Identifying and removing waste is a continuous pursuit. The ultimate goal is the systematic elimination of waste through continuous improvement efforts. By constantly seeking out and removing non-value-adding activities, organizations become more efficient. This leads to better quality and lower costs. Lean identifies 7 common types of waste, often remembered by the acronym TIMWOOD. Understanding these categories helps in systematically identifying areas for improvement. Each type represents a specific form of inefficiency. Overproduction is the first type of waste, involving producing more than is immediately needed or demanded. This leads to excess inventory, increased storage costs, and potential obsolescence. It often masks other underlying problems. Waiting refers to idle time in the process, where people, materials, or information are stationary. This waste occurs when one step in the process is delayed, causing subsequent steps to wait. It reduces overall throughput and efficiency. Transportation involves the unnecessary movement of materials, products, or information between processes. Excessive transportation adds no value to the product itself. It increases the risk of damage and consumes resources like fuel and labor. Overprocessing means doing more work than is actually required by the customer. This could involve unnecessary inspections, redundant steps, or using overly complex equipment for simple tasks. It consumes time and resources without adding value. Inventory waste refers to holding excess materials, work in progress, or finished goods beyond what is immediately needed. High inventory ties up capital, requires storage space, and can hide production problems. It also risks obsolescence. Motion waste involves the unnecessary movement of people within the workplace. This includes excessive walking, bending, reaching, or searching for tools and materials. It reduces productivity and can lead to fatigue or injury. Defects represent the production of faulty products or services that do not meet quality standards. Defects require rework, scrap, or customer returns, all of which consume additional resources. They damage customer satisfaction and reputation. Just-in-time, or JIT, is a crucial lean practice. It aims to produce goods only when they are needed and in the exact quantities required. This minimizes inventory levels and reduces associated costs. JIT systems rely on a pull-based approach, where production is triggered by actual demand. This contrasts with traditional push systems that produce based on forecasts. JIT significantly reduces waste from overproduction and excess inventory. Kaizen is another fundamental lean practice, meaning continuous improvement in Japanese. It embodies the philosophy that all processes can and should be constantly improved. Kaizen encourages a mindset of ongoing refinement. This practice encourages ongoing efforts by everyone in the organization to identify and eliminate waste. It fosters a culture where small, incremental changes are regularly implemented. These small improvements accumulate to significant gains over time. Kaizen is achieved through daily, systematic efforts to enhance efficiency, quality, and safety. It empowers employees at all levels to contribute to problem solving. This collective effort drives sustainable operational excellence. The 5S methodology is a workplace organization technique vital for creating an efficient and safe environment. It provides a structured approach to maintaining order and cleanliness. The 5S principles are sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. Sorting involves removing unnecessary items from the workspace, keeping only what is essential. Setting in order means arranging necessary items for easy access and use. Shining focuses on cleaning the workspace and equipment regularly. Standardizing establishes consistent procedures for maintaining the first 3 S's. Sustaining involves making 5S a habit and continuously improving the standards. This methodology creates a clean, organized, and efficient work environment. Pull systems are a core lean practice that directly responds to customer demand. Production is initiated only when a downstream process signals a need for materials or components. This prevents overproduction and reduces inventory. Unlike push systems that produce based on forecasts, pull systems ensure that work is done just in time. This minimizes waste by avoiding the creation of products that are not immediately required. It creates a smoother, more responsive flow. Standardized work is another key practice that establishes consistent and repeatable processes. It defines the best, safest, and most efficient way to perform a task. This ensures uniformity and predictability in operations. By standardizing work, organizations reduce variability and errors in production. It provides a baseline for continuous improvement and makes training new employees more effective. Standardized work is essential for maintaining quality and efficiency. Successful lean implementation requires a significant cultural shift within an organization. It demands active employee involvement and empowerment at all levels. Employees are encouraged to identify problems and propose solutions. This cultural transformation demands a deep commitment to continuous learning from everyone. Organizations must foster an environment where knowledge sharing and skill development are prioritized. Learning is seen as an ongoing process. Lean fosters a culture of respect and collaboration among all team members. It emphasizes teamwork and mutual support in problem-solving and improvement efforts. A respectful environment encourages open communication and trust. Implementing lean involves a relentless pursuit of improvement, embedded in the organizational DNA. It is not a one-time project but an ongoing journey of refinement. This mindset drives innovation and adaptability. Embracing lean manufacturing brings a multitude of significant benefits to organizations. One of the most immediate advantages is substantially reduced costs across various operational areas. This includes lower inventory, less rework, and optimized resource utilization. Lean practices lead to improved quality in products and services. By systematically eliminating defects and standardizing processes, organizations deliver higher quality outputs. This enhances customer satisfaction and reduces warranty claims. Organizations adopting lean often experience faster lead times. Streamlined processes and reduced waiting times mean products and services reach customers more quickly. This responsiveness is a key competitive differentiator. Ultimately, lean manufacturing leads to increased customer satisfaction. By delivering higher quality, faster, and at a better value, businesses meet and exceed customer expectations. Satisfied customers are more loyal and provide positive referrals. These combined benefits contribute to an enhanced competitive advantage in the marketplace. Lean organizations are more agile, efficient, and responsive to change. This allows them to outperform competitors and secure a stronger market position. Lean manufacturing is not a one-time fix or a temporary project with a defined end date. It is a continuous philosophy and an ongoing journey of organizational development. Its true power lies in its sustained application. Lean represents a commitment to continuous improvement towards operational excellence. Organizations must constantly seek new ways to eliminate waste and enhance value. This mindset drives long-term success and adaptability. By embedding lean principles into its culture, an organization drives sustainable success. It creates a resilient, efficient, and customer-focused enterprise. Lean is a transformative approach that yields lasting benefits.